Well,
Grateful. Okay, that works. I mean, my. Take care. All right. It's gonna get started. I should put something over my face.
maybe. I thought we was just doing those. I'm gonna charge to you if I know I'm doing all this.
He added those on, so I asked him.
Huh?
I thought we was just doing that and that.
Yeah. So if the tree, I mean, why don't you talk to him and see about that?
Okay.
Because I thought we were just doing the vineyards at first.
Okay.
I mean, but it's up to you, babe. How you gonna do it? Well, go ahead and pick them reds off, babe. Go ahead. Finish up. No, stand around. Babe, don't stand around.
Do we have
Today, we'll be moving these 4 trees in this vineyard. She's getting the red tomatoes off of her right now. So, what you see me doing right now, trying not to damage the roots. I'm gonna go around these roots and then I'm gonna pull the tree out. And I'll be back and you'll see these trees gone. I ain't gonna just sit here and let y'all watch me non-stop, so let's go. You on that camera too.
do we have a clipper?
Huh?
Do we have the clip?
Nope, I'm gonna send you home and go get it. You wanna go home and get it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Leave now. Leave now. Be careful.
It's really this a good thing right here. It's really easy.
Be careful. My house keys are not on her. You need my house keys?
I think I got one.
Her. I ain't taking no chance of your thinking. Okay, y'all. Y'all see that's one gone. I moved that one out of there. I try not to damage the roots too badly, but it's gone. So on to the next. So you see all the trees are gone. Now I gotta work on this vineyard and this tomato tree. So I'm about to get the tomato tree done and the vineyard done and the vineyard where grapes grow and stuff. So about to get to that. Y'all see the before and y'all see the after. All this grass. What are you dealing with grass? You dealing with lust. I just removed that. Now I gotta get ready to remove them veggies and stuff, them herbs and stuff and all that. These are herbs. These are mints down here. Nice old mints right there. And then you got those beautiful red tomatoes on there. I gotta get rid of this, but I'm definitely gonna pick as much as I can. And you can see this is actually where grapes will grow. Let me show you if you never saw grapes growing in somebody's backyard. You see those trees right there, they look really good too. They're not finished, of course, but yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. I gotta get this up out of here. I guess I'll dig this out next. Once I cut those, pretty much got that up out of there already. Yeah. I heard somebody talking. Okay, I got the board from the arches done, so now I gotta cut them, then I'll be ready. I'm gonna cut them, I'll be ready.